Today we're going to talk about the 4-year-old California startup car company, Czinger, which claims to produce the most technologically advanced hypercar. The C in Czinger is silent. In fact, their C21 is the world's first human, artificial intelligence designed, and 3D printed hypercar. AI software was used to efficiently design these cars for optimized downforce and to handle the rigorous G-forces that will be applied at high speeds. In this video, I'll show you the blue 21C, the red 21C VMAX, and the silver Hyper GT. They're currently warming up the engine on the $2 million Czinger 21C, so you'll hear some light revs throughout the video. Both 21Cs are powered by an in-house designed hybrid powertrain with a total output of 1,250 horsepower or a 1,350 horsepower option if you feel that 1,250 is inadequate. 950 horsepower is provided by a proprietary mid-mounted 2.88-liter flat-plane crank twin-turbo V8 engine that revs to 11,000 RPMs. The other 300 to 400 horsepower comes from the pair of independent electric motors housed in the front 3D printed alloy subframe. Energy is stored in the 4.4 kilowatt-hour, 430 horsepower high-performance battery pack, which is charged by harvesting from the V8 engine via a crank-driven motor generator unit. When compared to the iconic Ferrari F40, which also has a 2.9-liter flat-plane crank twin-turbo V8, the Czinger V8 generates more than twice as much horsepower. It's incredible. A 7-speed sequential transmission with an electro-hydraulically actuated multi-plate clutch helps put the power down. And the proof is in the pudding, as they say. Production car lap records at Laguna, Seca, besting the McLaren Senna's time by over 2 seconds, and 6 seconds versus the McLaren P1 at Circuit of the Americas. Through the use of proprietary 3D printed metal alloys and ultra-strong adhesives, the team at Czinger was able to keep the dry weight down to only 1,250 kilograms, or 2,756 pounds. This is essentially a 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio, similar to the Koenigsegg 1-to-1. All of this while handling the immense 2,000 kilograms of downforce that's applied to the 21C at 190 miles an hour. Production between the 21C and 21C VMAX is limited to 80 total units. Deliveries will begin towards the end of this year. Think of the blue 21C as the track star and the red 21C VMAX as the minimal drag, maximum velocity version. Czinger claims a 253 miles per hour top speed, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour times at 1.9 seconds, and quarter-mile times at only 8.1 seconds, plus a 0 to 400 kilometers per hour and then back down to 0 time in only 27.1 seconds. If they can accomplish that 0 to 400 to 0 time, they will beat the Koenigsegg Regere's world record time by over 4 seconds. The all-electric Pininfarina Battista currently holds the world record for fastest accelerating production car to 100 kilometers per hour at only 1.79 seconds and runs the quarter mile in only 8.55 seconds. I can't wait to see Zinger's world record attempt. Now let's go on to the Hyper GT, which redefines grand touring, luxury, and performance. It shares the same 1,250 to 1,350 horsepower hybrid platform as the 21C, while providing space for up to 4 adults. Key features of this 4-seater are gullwing doors and a rear profile similar to the 21C VMAX. Pricing will be less than the $2 million 21C, but by how much less is anyone's guess. Czinger looks to add another 4 models to their lineup by 2030. Which Czinger model is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel for more exclusive automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this informative video on Czinger.